18.
And they just kept
Also
saying
joining us from Italia.
Can I tell you why or
And
no?
making her way on to that final
Workout
sled
flow.
train, Beth Thomas in lane number 19.
Makes it more of a sprint, I guess.
And on her way back, lane number 13.
You just got to repeat 3 times.
They worried about Elite struggling yesterday, so they had to keep it down.
I don't know. That wasn't bad. I think it like the last half of that last lap gets a little spicy.
Alright, I mean, you're pulling the sled through the hand, so.
I know, it wasn't terrible.
Nice work.
One more plate would have been a little.
Yeah.
Hey, what the hell? You couldn't make it interesting or a race?
What?
You just had to blow everybody out? You couldn't just make it a race?
I gotta get back up to first, bro. I don't have much time
1
left.
minute. Oh yeah, the backwards hat is speed mode. Speed mode. Plus, the last time you wore those sunglasses, you were on an adventure, didn't you?
Might have to wear them later.
How about that fool? That's why I get paid the big bucks.
Give it up, guys. Another round of applause for your masters.
GT, you're sweating today.
45 to 49.